More active English.
Oh, my God, our baby is born.
Yes, he is finally here.
I am so happy today.
I am very happy too.
How are you feeling now?
I am tired, but I feel good.
You were very strong.
Thank you for staying with me.
When I heard the baby cry, I felt emotional.
I also cried when I saw him first.
He is so small and cute.
Yes, he looks so sweet.
The doctor did a great job.
Yes, the doctors and nurses are very kind.
This hospital is very good.
I feel safe here.
Can I see the baby again?
Yes, he is sleeping now.
He looks peaceful.
He looks like you.
Really? I think he looks like you.
Maybe he looks like both of us.
I want to hold him.
Be careful, he is very soft.
My hands are shaking.
It is okay. You are a father now.
I still cannot believe it.
I also feel the same.
Our life has changed today.
Yes, we have more responsibility now.
I will take good care of both of you.
That makes me feel happy.
Did you feel scared during delivery?
Yes, a little scared, but also excited.
I was praying outside.
Your prayers worked.
Thank you for giving me this gift.
Thank you for supporting me.
Our baby boy is very lucky.
Yes, he has a loving father.
We should call our parents.
Yes, they are waiting for good news.
Everyone will be very happy.
This is the best day of our life.
Our baby is sleeping now.
Yes, he looks very calm.
We should think about his name.
Yes, I was also thinking about it.
Do you like any name?
I like the name Astin.
Astin is a nice name.
It means peace.
I also like the name Vahan.
Vihan sounds good too.
It means a new beginning.
That is perfect for him.
What about Rowan?
Rowan is simple and sweet.
Yes, easy to say.
Should we choose a modern name?
Yes, but it should have good meaning.
Meaning is very important.
Our parents will also suggest names.
Yes, we should respect them.
We can make a list.
That is a good idea.
Let us write 3 names.
Astin, Vihan, and Rowan.
I like Astin the most.
I also like Astin.
Then we will name him Astin.
Yes, our baby boy will be Astin.
Welcome, Astin.
Welcome to our family, Arav.
His name sounds very peaceful.
I feel happy saying his name.
He will grow strong and kind.
Yes, he will make us proud.
Yes, he will make us proud.
Yes, we became parents today.
Our parents will also bring gifts.
Yes, grandparents love to shop.
They will bring clothes and toys.
Our baby will be spoiled with love.
I want to buy his first dress.
That will be very special.
We will keep it safe forever.
Yes, as a sweet memory.
Our life has changed now.
Yes, we are parents now.
Astin is very lucky.
Yes, he has a loving family.
I love you and our baby.
I love you both very much.